This video gives the solutions for the quantitative reasoning for the practice test of the graduate record examination, test 2, the third quarter. So we are going to do questions from 13 to 18 in test 2. Question 13 says, in state X, all vehicle license plates have 2 letters from 26 letters of the alphabet, followed by 3 one-digit numbers. So since the first 2 are letters, the first position can be replaced by 26. Second letter can again be selected by 26 different possibilities. The third, which is a single digit number, can be obtained by 10 possible outcomes: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 possibilities. Like that, there are 3 one-digit numbers. So the total probability will be, the possibility will be 26 times 26 times 10 times 10 times 10, which is nothing but 676,000, which is option E. The next question, P is negative and also the inequality is satisfied, 0 less than S less than absolute value of P. Now we have to find which of the following is a negative number. Let's take the inequality 0 less than S less than absolute value of P. When I square, I get 0 squared is less than S squared less than absolute value of P squared, which is nothing but P squared, because whether P is positive or negative, absolute value of P is going to be positive. Positive square is still P squared. So if I take just that inequality, S squared less than P squared, I get S squared minus P squared is less than 0. That means S squared minus P squared is negative, and hence my choice is E. Next question, there is an equation 1 by 2 raised to k plus 1 by 2 raised to k is 1 by 2 raised to x. We have to express x in terms of k. Let us simplify that equation. 1 by 2k plus 1 by 2k is nothing but 2 by 2k by taking 2k as the LCM. On my right hand side, it is 1 by 2 raised to x. So the left hand side, 2 by 2 raised to k, can be written as 2 raised to 1 minus k, and the 1 on my right hand side is 2 raised to negative x. They have the same basis but different exponents. Equating the exponents, 1 minus k is negative x, or we get x equal to k minus 1, which is my option B. In the next question, we have a normal curve. It says, the figure shows a normal distribution with mean m and standard deviation d. M is the mean, which is the middle, and it is deviated with the standard deviation d. It says the mean for 800,000 subway riders is 56 and the standard deviation is 13. So your m is 56 and d is 13. So since m is 56 and d is 13, we can plot those points, 56 increasing 13 to the right and decreasing 13 to the left of the middle. We get 17, 30, 43, 56, 69, 82 and 95. We have to find how many riders took between 30 to 43 trips. Between 30 to 43, we have got the area under the curve as 14%. The area under the curve, beneath the curve, is nothing but the probability between the interval 30 to 43. The probability is 14% of 800,000. So the 14% of 800,000 will be 112,000. But the question is, approximately how many of the riders took between 30 and 43? So approximately I can say it is 112. 10,000, and hence my choice is B. For the next question, from 17 to 20, usually a chart or a table will be provided. Here a table is provided, where the first table gives me the distribution of enrollment for 1,400 students, and the second table gives me the different majors: humanities, social sciences, and physical sciences with a percentage. And the first question here, 17, is to find the ratio of the number of male freshmen to the number of female sophomore in this case. Number of male freshmen will be 303, and the sophomore is 109. Female sophomore is 109. So the ratio is approximately 3:1, and hence my option is B. And for the same chart, the 18th question is, if the total enrollment is 12% greater than it was 5 years ago, what was the total enrollment for 5 years ago? 12% greater than, so 12% of 1400 is 168. So for 5 years ago, so I have to subtract this 168 from 1400. That gives me 1232, and hence the option is D. So in this video, we saw few questions and their solutions from the quantitative reasoning test, practice test of the graduate record examination. Hope this video was helpful in preparing for your GRE exams. Thank you for listening, and thank you for watching.